my beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have a very amazing, inspiring and inspirational story of Bhausaheb Kanchan. Bhausaheb Kanchan is a farmer from Maharashtra, and what he used to do, he used to do farming of many fruits and vegetables. However, he always wanted to grow grapes, so many in number. And what he did is he just took his terrace, and he turned it into grapevine. And this happened when he visited Europe, and there he discovered that he can actually turn a terrace into into grapevine, and it actually flows through his building, through his three-story building, and he is 58 now, and he started this organic farming, dream of organic farming, at the age of 47. So he visited many places internationally, also Netherlands, and to name a few, Netherlands, there is Europe. In Europe, many countries he has traveled. So that's from where he has got many ideas also about organic farming. So what I believe is that if you really want something, you can do it. So now he is, by 2022, he has grown almost 550 kg of grapes on his terrace. Just imagine. And he has not sold a single grape. He always distribute it amongst people. Isn't it beautiful, amazing? And it's so much of generosity. So and you know what, it was from 200 kg, it grew up to 550 kg. You know what is the law of nature which has been followed? The more you give, the more you receive. Only givers are rich, and they only get more from universe. So secret of giving is a secret of getting abundance, secret of receiving is only giving. That is only giving. When you are giving, that is the secret wellness mantra. So today I'll discuss about more about self-love. So I told you yesterday, you buy some flowers, you buy something for you, you may go to gym for your happiness, or you may go for a walk. I mean, free of cost. You may invest in cycling. I mean, you can buy a cycle and you can cycle on roads. You can invest something. I mean, any money you spend on yourself and consider guilt-free, and you say that this is investment on me, and that is self-love, right? Any money which you spend, which is guilt free, take out yourself on dates like ice cream date or some small dates. So that is time, your me time, right? That is the investment, that is your self love. When you feel that, shut off everything, you say, I am not available for anyone because I need my me time. I want time for myself. I want to create my life, right? When you take charge that you are a creator. So I'll tell you one very simple thing. Suppose if you have something very much in your house, um, let's say you have so many pens in your house, and or your child has so many pencils in the house. There are so many pencils in the house. Still, they get someone's pencil, someone's pen from the school, college, or maybe your spouse gets pens of their colleagues, and people say that they ask us pen and pencils. They took our pen or pencil, or they took our clothes. So you just teach your child, don't do that. We have so much at home. Why you're doing this? I'll buy you more if you want more, but don't do this. Take more pencils with you, but this is available freely. And same thing happens with girls or wives. No matter how many clothes you give, still you have your cupboard full, right? You may keep on giving one cloth every day, still your cupboard will be full. And if you get someone's cloth, your mother scolds you, why you have bought from them, or your spouse say, your almirah is full with the clothes, why you have got so much clothes. So why I'm telling you all this? You know what? So have your self love that much. It's so much that more I give, still it's not getting over. So you can't pour from empty cup. That is what is the law of nature. It comes under giving, it comes self-love. There are so many lessons from this particular example if you want to get. I mean, so you should have your love inside you. In the same way, the way child used to love themselves when the child is 1 month or 1 year, they love each and everything about themselves. All the new cells create so fast. This cell process creation is very very fast. The growth is also very fast. That's the only reason. That slow down your growth also, that slow down your healing also. That's why they say if child gets hurt, they heal very soon. That is the only reason. I don't have any scars of any injuries when I was a child. I was not here. There is no scar on my face. So it's only when I grew up and I hurt myself, maybe on my knees or something, then only I started getting certain scars. Otherwise, I don't have anything on my face. So you know what, that is self-love is a key to self-discovery, is key to self-healing, it's key to so many things. So you should have inside love, you should have love inside you, so much, so much, so much. No matter how much you distribute, no matter how much you give to others, still it's not getting over. It's so much within yourself, right? So on that note, thank you so much for listening to me. I knew it got lengthy, however, I'm sure you must have got the message. So keep on sharing these wellness mantras and these beautiful stories with someone who really need it. And thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Gratitude always.